Hi, dear student. It is an important question of Diboren. So it is an explanation of the structure of Diboren. So first one, the boron molecular formula is B2H6. Okay. In diboron contain 2 boron atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Diboron is an example of electron deficient molecule. Compared to ethane, diboron contain less than 2 electrons. The molecular formula of ethane C2H6, the molecular formula of diboron B2H6. In a ethane molecule, the structure of ethane this one. So compare the structure of diboron this one. What is the difference between the structure of ethane and diboron? In diboron, in between the boron is not bond, but in a ethane molecule between the carbon atom is bond formation. So carbon valence electron 4, that is a 4 bondeds are present, the 4 electron in the bonding, 3 hydrogen atoms with the bonding and bonding with the carbon. So it is a totally 14 electrons. Each one bond represents 2 electrons, totally 14 electrons. In diboron, the valency electrons of boron is 3. 3 are bonded with the 3 hydrogen atom, that is a 6 electron. This is a 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So totally 12 electrons. So it is a 14 electrons of ethane molecule, 12 electrons of diboron. So diboron is a less than 2 electron comparing to the ethane. So it is an example of electron deficient molecule. In diboron, out of 6 hydrogen atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms are terminal and 2 hydrogen atoms are bridged hydrogen atoms. So this is the structure of diboron. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are terminal and another 2 atoms. This is a bridged hydrogen atom. This is a bridged hydrogen atom. This is the structure of diboron. Out of the 6 hydrogen atom, these 4 are the terminal and 2 are the bridged hydrogen atoms. In diboron, 2 BH2 groups are present. The 2 BH2 groups are connected above the plane. One hydrogen atoms are connected above the plane, one hydrogen atom. Below the plane, connected another hydrogen atom. The 2 hydrogen atoms are called bridged hydrogen atoms. So this is above the plane one hydrogen atom, below the plane another hydrogen. BH2 groups is connected above the plane one hydrogen atom. These BH2 groups connected above the plane and below the plane. So these 2 hydrogen atoms are bridged hydrogen atoms. Next one, 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 boron atoms are in one plane, one in plane. So this is a terminal hydrogen atoms 4 and 2 boron atoms in one plane. So this is the diboron. Next one, in diboron, 4 BH groups are present, contain 2 electron and 2 centers. In diboron, 4 BH groups are present. So this is a BH, 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 BH. So it is a totally 4 BH groups. So each one BH groups is a bond is represent 2 electron. So 4 BH groups, each one is contain the 2 electrons. Next one, this is another structure of the diboron. So this is a hydrogen, 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 boron and boron. So this is a 1 electron, this is a 1 electron, this is a 1 electron, this is a vacant. This is a 1 electron, this is a 1 electron, this is a electron, this is a vacant. So in diboron, this is sp3 hybridization, one boron, another boron is sp3 hybridization. In Diboren, each boron atom undergo sp3 hybridization. In Diboren, in Diboren structure, each one boron is undergoing to the sp3 hybridization. Out of 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, 3 sp3 hybrid orbital contain each one electron. The fourth sp3 hybrid orbital are vacant. Shows in figure dotted lines. This is a structure of the diboron. Each boron atom undergoing sp3 hybridization. So this is out of 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, 3 sp3 hybrid orbital are the one. This 1 2 3 is containing each one 3 electrons. This is a vacant. This is showing the figure in the dotted lines. Next one, another structure of diboron, this one. Okay, so in diboron, 2 BHB groups are present. Each BHB groups contain 3 center 2 electron. So this is a centers BHB above the plane, BHB below the plane. How many BHB groups? 2 BHB groups. So each one BHB is contain, BHB is contain 3 center, 1 2 3 center. So it is in between the BH is 2 electrons. So the 3 center 2 electron bond is called banana bond or tau bond. This is the banana bond or tau bond. This is a BHB. It is the banana bond or tau bond. సో ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.